Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Hi family, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. If this is your first time, welcome. If you are already a family member, I thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Boop, 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 boop. I am praying for you and your family during this time. Today I'm going to show you how to make the different things that I had put on my shelf. If you haven't seen that video that I put out where I made this elegant shelf, please go and watch that video. But these are the things that you've seen on the shelf, and I just want to show you how I made it. Okay, I made the mirror decor from this box. Okay, I also used this wallpaper that I got from the Dollar Tree. I bought two of them, but I used one of them on the shelf. So I said I'm gonna take this one and just make some more items to go along with the shelf. Okay, so the supplies that I have here are, I have this box, I have this wallpaper, I have these tin cans, which was some vegetables was in here, just some flowers, Dollar Tree, ribbon, I think I got this ribbon from Michael's, mirrors, Dollar Tree, and beads, Dollar Tree. Okay, and I'm going to show you some items that you can make that are very inexpensive. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my cardboard. I want it to be a little bit bigger than my mirror. Okay. Okay, I've cut out my square. Now I'm going to cover my cardboard with this wallpaper. Okay. This square is 39 inches across and 40.5 horizontally. And it's about 3 centimeters.
you're a treat so special. Treat so special.
You can use either a big command hook or a small one to hang your mirror. Okay? And it's a removable hook, so it's not supposed to scratch your walls.